Good morning guys, in front of me is Vivo Y16 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So the first method is to open the settings, then scroll all the way down, click on About Phone and here check Status. And as you can see, you can smoothly read both IMEI numbers here, and then to reach serial number you have to enter software info where you can read it over here. Then you can open those numbers via secret code, actually two codes. The first one, the most common one, is to enter *##06#, and as you can see here we've got device info with IMEI and serial numbers included. But you can also use another code, which is *##, ***5, and as you can see here, you've got serial number, and a bit lower, you've got both IMEI numbers. So this is it, that will be all. These are 3 methods of locating IMEI and serial number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.